Hey all, welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. My name is Kurt. We're right smack dab in the middle of summer, so I thought what would be more appropriate than mixing up a Mai Tai. There's plenty of Mai Tai recipes out there, but I find this one to be my favorite, so I want to share it with you. And today we're going to have an SLB first. We're going to set something on fire. Before we get started, if you would please hit that subscribe button. Once you've done that, hit that notification bell, and that way you won't miss a single episode of the show. All right, let's start building the cocktail, the Mai Tai. I'm going to start out with a 1/4 ounce of Demerara syrup. You can make your own, or you can buy it online on Amazon. There's plenty of Demerara syrup options online on Amazon that'll fit the bill. I'm going to follow that up with 1/2 ounce of Orgeat or almond syrup. Same with this. You can make your own, or you can buy it on Amazon or buy it online. Plenty of good options for Orgeat. 1/2 ounce. All right. What I'm going to do now, normally I have my freshly squeezed juices up on the bar top. We're doing something a little bit different today, so I'm going to cut a fresh lime. I'm going to squeeze in 3/4 ounce. Ooh, just right. Three-quarter ounce freshly squeezed lime juice. Now onto the spirits of the cocktail. I have dry Curacao. So for this dry Curacao, I want to add 1/2 ounce. All right. And for the star of the show, rum. The recipe calls for an aged rum. I'm going to be using Diplomatico. What is that called? Reserva Exclusiva. Diplomatico. You can use the rum of your choice. Again, the recipe calls for an aged rum. We're going to pour in 2 full ounces. All right. I'm going to get some ice in our tin, and I'm going to give this a shake. All right, that should do it. Our tin is nice and frosty. What I'm going to do for this, I'm going to put my double rocks glass up here, and I'm just going to give it a dump. So we're going to give it the shake and dump. Perfect. Like to get every little bit out. Now, what we want to do, I have a little bit of a sprig of mint. Give it a little slappy slap, slappy slap. So you get that nice aroma from the mint. And then the freshly squeezed lime. So we have 1/2 lime that we squeezed for the 3/4 ounce that we put in the Mai Tai. What we want to do with this is continue to fold it all the way to where it's flesh side out, skin side in, to where you have a nice little wheel. See, a nice little hollow wheel there. So we're going to set that right in the glass. One moment. Now what I want to do is I have this Wray & Nephew overproof rum. So I'm going to put a squash of this overproof rum right in the hollow of that lime wheel. Now, this is going to go over big at one of your parties. Trust me, it's going to be good. First time, my wife has a little fire extinguisher behind me here. She's ready to go. She's nervous. I think she bit off all of her remaining fingernails that she has. get it on. Oh yeah. It's hard to see. See that little blue flame? Do you see it, babe?
I do see it.
Look at that. Hang on 1 second. Oh yeah. Now that is a party Mai Tai right there. What do you think, Trent? That rocks. We got a Mai Tai on fire. Now I would suggest before you take a drink is just blow it out a little bit. And it's gone. No problem. Stick your straw in. You can drink some of that overproof rum, discard it, or just leave it in there for now. Delicious. That is a delicious recipe for a Mai Tai. You can have lots of fun with this in your summer parties. Go ahead and get crazy and set something on fire. A lot of fun. Thanks for watching today, boy. I certainly appreciate it, man. I had tons of fun here. Hope you try it at home and let me know how you do. As always, we ask you to please drink responsibly, and then we'll see you next time right down here with me in the good old basement bourbon bar. See ya.